Welcome again. People are like, what do you have for parents from SolverBoard? So, what we have for parents is beautiful. What we design, what we build, it's a system whereby SolverBoard is not just for. So we have SolverBoard for students, for schools, for families, right? So, uh, hello parents. Trust you well and you're doing good. So you said what package do we have for parents? We have package of parents where parents can register, a family can register, and then you can put up to 4 kids. Your registration can cover up to 4 kids. For solvable, so your kids can jump in. And beautiful thing, if you want to see what your children are solving, is that someone like you can monitor what they're working with, what they're working on, kind of question. So you can hire a tutor, but this is cheap. This is just $7. Family plan is $17 a month, and if you have your own AI API, it comes down significantly when you put out by yourself. So it's beautiful. And so as you mean your child solve this, so this is a big math problem, right? To solve a question is generated and solve it. So let's say check this if the student who has solved this is right or wrong, right? It comes up h2 equals to 20, and then you can be like, okay, yes. If it's right, it's gonna tell you you're right. If you're wrong, it's gonna tell you you're wrong. So here the student was able to solve this question perfectly. You can see what I'm saying. Your kids solve, and AI tell them if they're right or wrong, so they can proceed to the next question. If they're wrong, a lot of help is there to continue. And also, if your child is preparing for exam, we have exam questions from our country is SAT, ACT, all kind of exams. So for them to practice, and GCE, WIEC, and all of that. So your child can practice and all of that. So it's gamified. It's beautiful for them. So this is what we have for parents. I'm telling you, get this in front of your kids. You won't regret it. $17 family plan. You can put out the 4 kids in it. Individual plan is just $7. We want to make it as cheap as possible so that nobody have an excuse. I'll be like, oh, I cannot afford it. So everyone who can afford this, that is what we are after, impact on your kids. So yeah, this is it, and I think it's beautiful, and we want your kids to use this to better themselves. They prepare for math, to prepare for all sciences. We have all the science subjects, yeah, and they can work with all of that. So this is what we have for you. We think it's beautiful, and thank you very much.